So here we are inside this brand new GLA 35 AMG vehicle. It's an absolutely stunning car and it has all of the latest technology, including Mercedes-Benz UX interface. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually use the app to remote start the vehicle. So on my iPhone, I have set up my MercedesMe account with this vehicle. You need to do that with your salesperson at the time of delivery of your vehicle. If your car is not connected to your MercedesMe account, feel free to call us and we'll help you out with that. You do need to be in person so that we can verify your identity and confirm the VIN with your identity. So I'm going to open the app here and you'll see my vehicle is going to pop up. So on the GLA menu screen, I've got lock status, engine, vehicle status, tire pressure, service, and more. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pretend that I'm not actually in the vehicle, and please make sure that you're not starting the vehicle in an enclosed space. I'm going to tap on engine, and remote engine start is going to give you some information about this and make sure that you're not in an enclosed space, that the vehicle is locked, that you have more than a quarter tank of fuel available to you. You're going to press the start button. You have to create a PIN. And we're going to start by entering the PIN number that I just created. And there we go. It's as simple as that. Once you have your PIN set up, it'll just ask you for the PIN each time as you remotely start the car. This is just a safety function of the vehicle to make sure that everything is secure every time you're starting the car. So let me stop the engine here. You'll notice when I started the car, I also have the temperature of the vehicle's inside in here as well, and some other statistics about the vehicle. Anytime that I do start the car, I will get a text notification from Mercedes-Benz letting me know that the vehicle has been started. The lock status is also a super easy way to make sure that you've locked your vehicle after you leave the car. So right now I'm sitting in a locked car, which is a little bit strange, but it's the best way for us to demonstrate this technology here. Tire pressure, once you've been driving your car for a little bit, it'll record the last known tire pressure and it'll keep that on your phone for you as well. If you ever have to make any changes to your MercedesMe account, you can click the little hamburger up here and you can go to your account. As I mentioned, if you have any questions about setting up your MercedesMe account or syncing it with your car, this is something that's on all of our newer vehicles. It's pretty much since 2020, all of our vehicles are supporting MercedesMe. If you have an older vehicle, it has Mercedes-Benz Embrace, and you can actually tap the little I button that's up on the top. If you have any other questions at any time, you can feel free to contact your salesperson or call us at Mercedes-Benz of Smithtown.